In this video, I'm going to be revealing this AI tool called Kling AI. Yes, you can do pretty amazing stuff with it. So I generated this video from this AI tool. I also generated this photo and also this photo and many other amazing photos that I'm going to be revealing in this video. So this is what the interface look like, and you can see that pretty much people are also generating amazing pictures and videos of different kinds of things in this same app. So you can scroll down, you can see a turtle, a lion walking. So to get started, all you need is to log into the app. So for this, I'll be using my email account and my password. So I already have an account with them. But if you don't have an account, you can go ahead and sign up for a free account. So I'll just go ahead and put in my email and password and sign in real quick, and then let's dive into the video. This is what the interface looks like. Now this interface is divided into three. They have the AI images, they have the AI video, and they also have the video editor. So you can edit video with it, but then they say that one is also coming soon. So I'll just go ahead and click on AI images. So let's experiment that. So I'll go ahead and click on AI images and it will bring me to this interface. Now I'll just go ahead and key in a prompt. So I'll just go ahead and write in a monkey holding a guitar. So let me just go ahead and type that real quick. So you can add a reference picture to this. That's if you have any images that you want it to look like, you can add it. Click on the plus icon and add. Then you can go ahead and set the ratio, which is 16:9 or 1.1 or 19:16, depending on which one you want. After you are done with that, you can also go ahead and select the amount of images that you want it to generate for you. You can leave it at 4, or you can then stretch that place again to generate any amount. Now, upon generating, it will take 0.8 credits. So I'll just go ahead and click on generate and then give it time to load. Now remember, I requested for 4 images, so I'll just go ahead and wait for it to load. So this is the 4 images that it came up with. This is the 4 images that it came up with. So I'll go ahead and generate one more. So this time around, I'll go ahead and type in. So I'll go ahead and tell it to generate a high quality picture of an image of a steampunk alien. I don't know if I pronounce that well, but then this is what it says, like generate high quality picture of a steampunk alien pointing the rock. Now you can go ahead and feel free to add your reference images or anything. After I'm done with that, I'll just go ahead and click on generate. It will also cost me 0.80 credits for 4 of them. So after I'm done, this is what it came up with. So I generated this, and also this with this. So let's go ahead and try the AI video. So I'll just go ahead and click on it. So this is the interface that came up with. You can write your prompts, you can choose the dimension, write the negative prompts, So I'll just go ahead and impute the picture that I want. I want to do the picture one first. So I'll just choose the picture that I want. So I'll just click on this and then scroll through and find the picture I want to use for this project. So after I'm done with that, I'll just go ahead and select it. And after I'm done selecting it, So I'll go ahead and wait for it to load. Then I'll go ahead and type in the prompt. So the prompt in this case means what you want the picture to be doing. If you want the picture to be talking, you just go ahead and write. So I'll just go ahead and say the girl is happy, moving her hands and also with a smile on her face. So after I'm done typing in the prompt, I'll leave the settings just the way they are. Yes, I'll leave the settings just the way they are. So I'll scroll down to negative prompt and then add the things I don't want to see in this video. So bad eyes, ugly face, morphine, and the rest of them. So I'll just go ahead and type all of them. So after I'm done with that, I'll just go ahead and click on generate. As you can see, this will cost me 10 credits. Yes, this will cost me 10 credits. So I'll just go ahead and click on generate. and let's give it time to load. So after I'm done, this is what it came up with, and here is my final thoughts on this website. Number one is that I can recommend it for someone that is just starting, but as you can see, that it changed the face of the person that I initially added, and this one I pasted for it to be moving forward and it was moving backward. So I also put monkey riding the bicycle and it gave me 3D animation. This is the only one that it gave me that I liked. So another flaw I noticed that it has minimal, or will I say minimal compliance to the prompts. Yes, minimal compliance to the prompt. But I like this thing pon Aline. They all look beautiful and amazing. So if you have watched up to this moment and you have not subscribed, please. Meanwhile, click on this place or this other place to watch my other videos.